Hi all, welcome to DB Tech. Now we will see how to resize temp in Oracle database and what are the sessions temp is using and how we can identify the SQLs which are consuming more undo from the ASH report and how we can add a temp data file to the existing temp table space and how we can resize the temp data file. Okay, these are the things we can see. So this is my database. DB Tech. First of all, we'll see what is the current usage of the temp. You can see that my temp is currently used very less, below 1 MB. Okay, this is having total of 128 MB out of that, which is used very less. Okay, and we can get list of temp used by the sessions from the ASH report. Top 5 temp used SQLs has been displayed from this SQL. Okay, as of now, you could see that there are no sessions. If there are any sessions, we'll get in touch with the application team and we'll inform to the application team that these are the sessions and these are the SQLs which is causing more temp in the database. And we can get the list of sessions which are using currently in the database. As of now, you could see that there is only 1 MB is used by the Oracle user. If the application is connected and using multiple sessions in the database and using the temp table space, you can get the size with the total MB, how much temp it is being used from the database. And from this one, you can get the temp, which is we already verified. As of now, you can see that which is varied 128 MB. And also what are the temp files has been added to the temp table space. This is the temp file which is having in the database for the temp and currently which is 128 MB. And also in the database, you can verify what is the default temporary table space which is using in the database level. You can verify default temporary table space is temp. If you have multiple temporary table spaces and if you want to verify which is the default temporary table space for the database, you can use this database underscore properties. And now we will verify how we can resize the temp data file. So this is my temp data file, which is currently 128 MB, right? So if I want to resize, yes, alter database temp file, you have to mention the complete temp file and resize how much space you want to resize. Just give this one. Now verify. Now you can see that temp file has been increased to 300 MB. If you want to add one more temp, and it should be starting with 1 GB and it should extend up to 32 GB. It should not add it 32 GB currently. When the space grows, depending upon the temp space usage, it should increase. So you can add one more data file if it is required, one more temp data file. I'm adding alter table space temp. I'm adding one more temp data file with minimum size of 1 GB and up to 32 GB it will get increase. And after 1 GB is getting full, it will increase by 1 GB because next I have given as 1 GB. So let's get added. It has been added. Now verify. It has 2 data files. My temp is having 2 data files and one is 300 MB, one is 1 GB. And this 1 GB is going to increase by 32 GB. Up to 32 GB it is going to increase. So this is how you can verify what are the sessions currently using by the application on my temporary table space. And also you can get what is the current size of the temporary table space. And you can verify what are the top SQLs which are consumed more of the temp table space. These are the things you can verify. This is how you can deal with the temporary table space. Thank you.